Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of Comparing Quantities. This is third question of its exercise 8.3. So the question says that the population of a city decreases from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. So हमें given है initial population of city is equal to 25,000 and final population of city is equal to 24,500. Then decrease in population हो जाएगा फाइनल इनिशियल decrease in population 25,000 minus 24,500 is equal to 500. So हमें फाइंड आउट करना है फाइंड द परसेंटेज डिक्रीज. सो परसेंटेज डिक्रीज इन population is equal to decrease है 500 out of 25,000 into 100. So 3 zeros से 3 zero कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे एंड 25 से 50 2 टाइम. सो हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2%. थैंक यू.